Hello everyone, we are doing 2.4 now. It's a different forms of a quadratic equation. The first is vertex form. Vertex form. Vertex form is y equals to a x minus h square plus k. Next is intercept form. Intercept form here is when the curve or parabola cuts the x-axis at a 2 point. It cut the x-axis at a point. So that is a intercept form. Y equals to a, x minus p and x minus q. P and q are the points on the x-axis at which curves cut. And what is a? A is nothing, just 1 over 4p. I am writing 1 over 4p as a. And the third form is 3-point form. 3-point form. It is a general form y equals to ax square plus bx plus c. We will provide with the 3 coordinates. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. We will substitute one by one and we'll get system of equation of a 3 equations. And we find a, b and c. Okay. So these were the forms. Next we have a graph shows the parabolic path of a performer who is out of a cannon where y is the height and x is the horizontal distance traveled. Write an equation of parabola. The performer land in a net 90 feet from the cannon. In the given figure, vertex is visible. So I will use vertex form of a parabola. Y equals to a x minus h square plus k. What is given? H is 50, k is 35. Substitute x minus 50 square plus 35. We have to calculate a. And another point on the parabola is given 0, 15. If the point is on the parabola, so it will satisfy the equation of parabola. So substitute x 0 and y 15. Your left side and right side must be equal. 0 minus 50 square plus 35. Subtract 35. I will get this. And it is a 2500 minus 20. And from this, if I divide both sides with negative 20, I will get, we have to divide by 2500. So I will get negative 0.008. Substitute a value in this equation. You will get y equals to negative 0.008. X minus 50 square plus 35. This is the equation of parabola. Then question says the performer land in a net 90 feet from the cannon. What is the height of net? So we have to find the y value when x is 90. So substitute. Put x equals to 90. X equals to 90 here. So y equals to negative 0.008. 90 minus 50 square plus 35. If I solve, I will get it's 22.2 approximately. The height will be 22.2 and the units are given feet. 22.2 feet. Done. Next we have this. We are given with some table values and we have to find the type of the function. In this, first we will find the difference. Difference of these numbers. 4 minus 9, it's negative 5. 1 minus 4, it's negative 3. 0 minus 1, negative 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. So if I calculate the difference, it's not same. And you can see x values difference is same. It's everything add 1. Add 1. Right? So x values are same but the function values are not same difference. So that means the given values are not form linear equations. It's not linear. Not linear. Whatever you have now, again find the difference. This is known as a second difference. This is a first difference. Now we are calculating second difference. Minus 3 minus of minus 5, which is positive 2. Minus 1 minus of minus 3, it's positive 2. And this is positive 2. Positive 2, positive 2. Second difference is the same. So from here we can say the function it is followed by this table is a quadratic function or a function, or you can say a polynomial of degree 2. So degree is 2. It doesn't mean this is 2, that's why. No, this 2 is by chance comes 2. So the second difference 2, that is why degree is 2. If the first difference is same, then we'll say degree is 1. Degree is 1 mean linear function, degree is 2 mean quadratic function, degree 3 mean cubic function. In our case, it's a quadratic function. This is the first difference and this is the second difference. Okay, next we are provided by this, we have to write the equation of parabola in vertex form. Let's try question number 3. In the question number 3, vertex is given as a vertex is minus 2 comma 6. So substitute in the formula y, because it's a vertical axis, so y equals to 1 over 4p, or you can directly write, because they didn't ask for the focus, we just have to write equation y equals to a. What is a? A is 1 over 4p. We don't need to check what is p, we just replace this term with a. Y equals to a x minus x square plus k. Substitute x minus of minus 2, that's plus 2 k 6. So done. What is other point given? If passing point is given minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3, it will satisfy the equation. Y is 3, x is negative 1. So 3 equals to a 1 square plus 6. 3 minus 6 equals to a. So minus 3. A is minus 3. As you get a is negative 3, substitute a here. Y equals to negative 3 x plus 2 whole square plus 6. This is the vertex form of the given parabola. I will try question number 7 now. For question number 7, vertex is given negative 6 and negative 12. So y equals to a x minus minus 6. So that means plus 6 and minus 12. What is the passing point? 0 comma negative 24. Y is negative 24 and x is 0. So substitute here. A 6 square is 36 minus 12 minus 24. Add 12. Negative 12 equals to 36a. Divide by 36. Negative 1 by 3a. Negative 1 by 3 equals to a. So I got a value is negative 1 by 3. Substitute here. Y equals to negative 1 by 3 x plus 6 whole square minus 12. This is the equation of parabola. Okay, so next we are provided with this and we have to check it is a linear, quadratic or neither. Linear means first difference same. Quadratic means second difference same. And we can use this difference concept only if x are equidistant. X values are equidistant, then we can check. Let's start with question number 29. Every term is added with 5, 5 and 5. Okay. Find the difference. This difference gives you 160. Second difference gives you only 60. Next gives you 40. Negative. And the next is negative 140. The first difference is not same. Now again calculate the difference. It's negative 100. It's negative 100. And it's negative 100. Second difference is same. So this data represent a quadratic function. It's a quadratic. So second difference is same. Second difference is same. Okay. Let's do another one. 31. We will do question number 31. Check x first. 1, 1, 1 and 1. So we can check for y values. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 32 minus 16 is 16. It's not same. Again find the difference. 2, 4, 8. So it is neither linear nor quadratic. So I will use neither. Answer is neither. Then, so we have covered up to 2.4. I hope you understand. And if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. And the next video, we will review chapter 2. Okay? Thanks for watching.